So now let's think about the energy for system 2. So system 2 is the block and the spring as a system. Remember, we don't care about internal forces there. So the force of the spring on the block doesn't count here. So what do we have? We have the force of gravity on that system as the outside force. So we have these two plus work, right? Because force of gravity is doing work. So because the force of gravity is opposite the direction of motion, right? The block is moving upwards. That is a decrease in energy. So we're increasing in energy in the first one. We're decreasing energy in the second one. What about the third example? So the third example is, remember the hand's not included in this because we've already let go of it. So we have the earth, we have block, and we have the spring. So that encompasses all of these energies. There is no outside force on the system then, right? Everything else is an internal force. So no outside forces, it's going to be constant. No work is being done on the system. So the energy is constant in the third system. So not an easy problem, but looking through here and identifying the key unknown, making those connections by finding equations, understanding if it says total mechanical energy, you write out that equation and you think about it in terms of, is there kinetic energy? Is there potential energy? What is the work? What are the outside forces? And then in terms of a system, make sure you're identifying the system. Okay, for each of these, you're just identifying what's the system, and therefore, what are the outside forces that could be causing work. Good luck.